We're out here on our home place where we're going to be building our honeysuckle homestead. And the reason why we call it honeysuckle is because we have honeysuckle growing all over the place out here, and it smells so good and we just love it. But anyways, we're going to be cutting some wood today on the sawmill. Actually, John and Jonathan are going to be cutting some wood on the sawmill, and Asher lumber to build a cabin. And so Asher's going to be assisting, and I'm going to be the videographer.
Good deal.
And whatever else I can get myself into. And so thank you guys for joining us, and I hope you enjoy. So we were out here the other day cutting before we went to Mount Magazine, and I bush hogged. Actually, it was my first time to bush hog. John showed me how to use the bush hog, and I bush hogged all this. It was probably waist high, so there were some places that were a little sketchy, but I was able to get it bush hogged. And we brought the weed eater, so we might do a little weed eating also. And they're gonna get started with cutting some lumber. He's gonna get the tractor over here so they can pick up the logs. We got this big stack of logs here.
I got a trailer full of cedar over there.
You what?
I got a trailer full of cedar over there. So I got a trailer full of cedar right there.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, cedar logs over there. Yeah.
These two with the mushrooms on the bark.
Uh-huh.
Well, you can't see the other one. That's cherry. That's gonna be some good lumber. That's a cedar at the bottom and the rest are pine.
Okay. So we got cherry on top,
right here,
cedar on the bottom, and then some pine in between. And then over there, he's got a big trailer. I don't know if you can see it. A big trailer full of cedar.
You can walk over and show them.
So the cedar, what would you use cedar for?
Well, you could do outside trim. You could do inside closets or whatever you decide.
Oh, I'd love to have a cedar closet. That'd be nice.
There you go.
So we got some cedar over here. He wants me to show you. Big old stack of cedar over there. Just waiting to be cut. But this is our property out here, and it's a lot quieter than our place up on the highway. This is where we're looking forward to building a homestead. We've got a place here in the back that we'd like to put a pond, where it kind of dips down into a bit of a valley back there. And then we want to put our garden back over on that end. And we're not sure yet about where we're going to put our chicken coop, but that's just kind of our vision for the property. We're going to start doing some dirt work here in probably a couple of months. And right now he's wanting to get some wood cut and go ahead and get that started. That part of the process. So he's also got some logs over there that he's collected, and so I think they're going to start by grabbing a log from over there. So it's a good thing I bush hogged, because you can see where I didn't get to the other day. It's pretty thick, this little area over here, but I got most of it. Still got a lot to do though.
Kept moving my chain the other day.
I didn't touch your chain.
You picked my chain up off the ground. Somebody kept picking it up and hanging. You saw it hanging on that wood thing, didn't you?
I think so. I don't know. Anyways, John lost the chain this weekend, but actually he lost Jonathan's chain. So he's got to give Jonathan his chain. Be careful up there.
Where you want it? Okay,
So he's measuring out the log. So
Back up just a little bit.
he's gonna put it about the middle of the log to pick it up.
Roll it over. Come on. Alright, right there. You got ants all over you. Come down a little bit. Alright. See what I did a while ago? Straight up. That's good. Then put it in reverse. Yeah, wait, no. We'll get it over here and read it. Get it out there.
You gotta have a tractor to do this. These logs are big and heavy. He'd probably like to have Wally's grapple about now, but we're making do with what we got.
Back up just a little bit. Too far, ain't it? You might be right.
That hook's just bouncing right off of that log.
Come on. Alright. Down. Alright. Up. Up.
That didn't
I get
work.
over right in the mark.
These logs have been sitting out here for a while, so that's good. They're
Down a little bit more.
dry, mostly.
Knock it in with your rubber mallet. Come on. Easy. Easy. Up. Easy. Up. Yeah. Huh? Whoa. This is gas and then the... That ought to get it close to being on the rack.
Alright,
This is good.
time to go set it on the rack. It's a big old log. We ought to get some good lumber out of that.
get the back three. Say it again. Like we did the other day, let that end be past that first bump. Let's catch the back three. You want to lift those things up? No, we can lift it up and relax. Yeah, come on. A little bit more. All right, down. After you quit. Okay.
That's why John needs help. This is not a one-person job. I mean, he's done it by himself before, but it's just not a good idea.
Hey, I warned Asher, and I'm gonna warn you. Watch out for them copper-headed rattle moccasins. They all over out here, and they full grown. Well, you can finish bush hogging.
Yeah.
After she films a minute or two.
I might set this up and bush hog a little bit.
Why don't you set it up on time lapse, like they did?
Might do that. You have to get me set back up on the bush hogger because I don't remember what buttons.
Lift that up. I'm hitting down here. Hold that handle, boy. Alright, well, me and Jonathan cut a few logs today. Couple 10 footers, 13 footer. We got some 2x6s, some 1x6s, and now we're cutting up 2x8s. We're gonna get 5 off of this squared up log here. So he's doing that now. He's cutting the third one. I showed him how to do it one day last week, and he thinks he's been doing it all his life. He's a quick learner.